Hi Speechies, it's Lisa. Welcome back to Speech Fairies. If it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any content. Ring the bell and you'll get notified when we put up a new video. Today I have Barnyard Bingo, one of my favorite games of all time, working with preschoolers. I have no idea why I haven't done it yet. We have one brand new in the box, one found thrifting. Oh, here's the price tag. Let's see what it was. It was $3.99. Amazing. This game, when it first came out, probably almost 20 years ago, the first edition had come out. It was in a cardboard box. After that, they had made it into one that came in one of the blue cases. And then there was a bit of a Barnyard Bingo drought there for a while and there wasn't any released. And recently it's been appearing back on the shelves. Fisher-Price has brought back this old classic, so if you see it, grab it. I think I've seen it for around $10 now, so it's kind of less expensive than it used to be. For a while there, the only place you could get it was eBay. So it's nice to see it back in circulation. There is a couple other versions of it. This one, the other version that I have seen is the Paw Patrol version. I think I have a video on that one, the Paw Patrol version. But this one is the classic. So it comes with these little fences. Each fence has 3 animals on it. This one has a chicken, a sheep, and a piggy. Over the years the illustrations have changed, but for the most part they are the same. So you can store it like this with the little fences on the side of the barn. So there's green and red. So often kids don't really know what this is, but I make sure to tell them it's a fence. You can work on the F sound there too. So all it is a simple matching game. They actually rate it as 3 years and up. I believe it used to be 2 years and up. I could check my old box. 2 to 4 players, so you can have 2 players and they each have 2 fences, or you can have 4 players and they each have 1. I believe this set is missing 1 chip. I bought it for spare parts and perhaps some modification. So all you have to do is open the door and pops out one of the chips. So these stickers don't stay on as well as the original version. So the original version, my stickers are absolutely fine, but the new version, they don't stick as well. Not as sticky, so you could add a little extra adhesive on those if you wanted to before you use it. So you find that you got a piggy, so you have an opportunity to say, I found a pig. So for me, that's good because I need a pig. He's on my list here, on my fence. So we put him on top, and I model on top quite a bit. And then it's the next player's turn. And it makes that little mooing sound that the old Fisher-Price farm used to make. So it's kind of a spring sound. And then this one is blue. You can see the sticker lifting a bit there. I don't know if you can see. Gotta push it down again. I found a chicken. And then the other player gets the chicken. Oops, where does it go? Right there, on top. So we can talk about same and different. Close the door, and then it's the next player's turn. Uh-oh, I found yellow. This one's missing its sticker. So we will have to do a little scanning job and make sure we get a new sticker for this one. But I know it's not mine. It's for you. So you can practice the pronouns my and you and I and your. I found a green one. Oh no, I don't have green. You have to give it to your friend. Oh, that's for me. Thank you. It's great for social communication, taking turns. This is primarily the first game that I introduced to almost all my preschoolers. This is the game. Without it, I probably wouldn't survive. My turn. Oh, yay, I got a green. It's a cow. Sometimes they'll try to put the cow on the other matching cow, and they don't look at the color. So you have to say, oh, it's red. This is a cow on red. We need a cow on green. There we go. So green has all of the chips. We can work on concepts like one, some, and all. And it's my opponent's turn. My turn. Yay, they got another yellow one. It's a piggy. So we put it on top. My turn. Oh, I found red. It's a cow. It's my cow. So we use lots of personal pronouns in this one. Your turn. Open. Another yellow one. It's a chicken. This must be the sheep. So we know we have to scan the sheep to make up the whole set. This one's a bit stiff, but at least it's pretty new. And this one is a chicken for me. And you keep going until you have all the animals on the fences. So it's a really nice turn-taking game. It's pretty quick. So you can see I'm missing one red sheep. I'm not too worried about it, but I'm happy to have spare parts. So this part does come off on the bottom, so putting it back in the box. We know at the end I always do a quick turn-taking game at the end to clean up. So we have some quick my turns in sequence, and kids often pick it up faster because they are taking a quick turn. It's harder to remember to say my turn when it's a longer turn in between. We help them put them in and say my turn, and then the other players, my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn, back and forth, and then they pick it up much faster and they start to say my turn spontaneously. I use this a lot of my early language clients because they have trouble with these early concepts. And then we clean up, we put the fences on the side of the barn and turn it around and put them on the side. So that is Barnyard Bingo. I can't believe I haven't showed that yet. But it's a great introduction to some early vocabulary, lots of repetition. It says learn and match colors, which is fine. I don't really work on color vocabulary a whole lot in preschool. We model it, but mostly we'd rather have them have the concept same and different than we would the color. But we can label colors as we go along. Oh, it's blue. It's for you. So this one's new, brand new in the box. I got it at the Christmas tree shops, and it was $9.99. I just want to show you what it looks like when it comes new. Maybe we'll use this one for a giveaway. So it comes in the box there, and here's the instructions. There is all the kind of fences and animals and the base. It's getting simpler and simpler. You can see there's no molded plastic anymore. The old ones had like a little grassy kind of surface on them, so some texture. They're getting a little more simplified in producing it, but I'm glad they are producing it so that everybody gets a chance to get their hands on this game, because it is such a good early learning game. Comment down below if you are already using this game. I imagine there's quite a few people that have already seen this game and don't need to see it again, but I had to go over it in case someone did miss the memo that this has to be in everybody's kit. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you very soon. Bye for now, everyone.